To add two dictionaries together, we can use the extend function. It adds whatever is in the second dictionary to the first. Let's print it on the command line to see the whole line. You can see that now dictionary 1 has keys 1 to 4. In this function call, only dictionary 1 is affected and not the dictionary 2. Now let's see what happens when there are duplicate keys in the second dictionary. You can see that it overrided the value with that of the second. The value of 2 is coming from the dictionary 2 and not dictionary 1. If you want to keep what is in the first dictionary, in case there is a duplicate, you can pass in keep. 2 is now the value of dictionary 1. The opposite is the force, which is the default behavior, and overrides the value with that of the second dictionary. If you want to throw an error when there is a duplicate, you can pass an error and it will let you know that the key already exists in the first dictionary.